ab'ekibiina ky'empabuhwezi ekya Lions Club obwa hati kiriyo nikyongera kuhwera entunguka omu ihanga obwo kirikushagika ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe. Arikugamba aha mukoro gw'okutongoza club z'abaana ahansi y'ekibiina kya Lions Club eyantungamo, memba w'ekibiina kya Lions Club John Bosco Ntangare ahamize ko obwa hati babasize kushagika Uganda nk'ekibiina n'ebintu birikusya miliyoni 3 za dola omu bintu bitari bimwe na bimwe.
We have a health center we supported in Windi, but we have also, the retinal pathway project which we've done. Right now, Uganda has projects worth $3 million, about 11 billion. Karamoja alone, we have $1.5 million. In Zambia, we have $420,000
ogu ayongere yashobora ngo mwaka ogu borekerere kushoroza sente ziri kwingana dollars kanana na bishatu kwongera kwereza ihango bushagi na munonga hari yabo abari kwetenga ubuhwezi.
This year our goal is $83,000. Now this year if a club contributes $5,000 to $9,999, you get back cash of 15%. If you contribute 10,000 to 19,999, you get back 20%. And if you contribute 20,000 plus, you get back 30%.
Omukoro ogu gutandikira no kwakira abana basya kuruga hishomero rya Ntungamo High School abari kumanywa nka Haya Club hamwe n'abacamate Senior Secondary School abari kumanywa nka Amate Club kandi nabo habegisiro mu Lions Club.
So this presidential chain is a symbol of your authority which you should put on during your club meetings and service activities.
Mukuru w'ekibiina kya Lions Club yantungamo Joshua Namanya ahigira abana abehereyo kwegita ha kibiina eki okuhamira hanjende roho yacho.
So whatever you intend to do as a Leo, you should first consult the Almighty God. The second core value is discipline. We want Leos who are well disciplined. And you are aware that the discipline is the chief determinant of one's performance.
Between some of the activities we do, which are generally acceptable within the Lions Club parameters, and some of the activities we